YouTube. What's good? SimK. It's early in the morning. As y'all can see, nobody is outside, bro. Nobody's on the road. Barely people on the road. It's probably around 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. I think 4 a.m. I'm not sure. But yeah, bro, I'm trying to get y'all a little POV early morning in my Golf GTI, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to upload some shit. I got some other shit coming about cybersecurity. Let's see if I get that shit rolling. Some real good information I think that people could learn from in the cybersecurity field. But y'all wonder where I'm going? Shit, me too. Nah, I'm playing. I gotta go to motherfucking drill. Man, and that's the crazy thing, bro. My motherfucking, one of my headlights went out. So I'm like, fuck. You know, one of them worked. I'm gonna put my motherfucking brights on. So I apologize if y'all can't really see too much. I'm gonna see if I can put it in, editing it and see if I can like deduce the shadows. I don't know. I think this like, with this like 15% tint and a nigga still can't see shit. I wanted 10, like, or maybe this is 20. I think this might be 20. I don't know. I still want darker tint. I feel like go 5 to 10% on every car, and windshield too. Fuck it. I wouldn't put 5 windshield, but y'all know what I'm saying? Like, it's dark as a motherfucker. Oh, there you go. Y'all got some light in this bit. I could get gas. I might get some gas on the way there, cause I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be very early, I think. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. Get the POV on the road, bro. I'm gonna turn this bitch back on when I'm on the motherfucking highway. Yeah, too. I'm on the motherfucking highway. I don't know what the motherfucking GPS talking about. But you nigga, this shit scary. They only got one motherfucking headlight, bro. This shit crazy. Hopefully, I don't get pulled over.
Miles, take exit 95.
Shut up, bro.
To merge
Goddamn.
I-285 East.
I'll turn this motherfucker off. Goddamn, hold on. YouTube, I'm back. Goddamn. I turned Siri ass off. Shut the fuck up. You talk too much. Goddamn, but nigga, hopefully I don't get no motherfucking trouble for this, bro. Cause nigga, I got a super speeder, bro. And I ain't even paid my motherfucking fine yet. I got like a couple months to pay it. But nah, I don't want no trouble with the law. Yeah, in all truthful and honesty, bro. Here go another vet. We vets, nigga. They going to the same spot. They a vet. I'm a vet. Nah, I'm bullshit, y'all. Man, bro, these motherfuckers say 2 hours, bro. But that's actually, I'm gonna get there early as hell, like very early. Like, I just don't like being late. Like, a nigga being late, bro, it's not a good look. And this is like the place that I like to go to. So I don't want to be late to a place that I go to. Like, it's one thing if you like absolutely damn despise that motherfucker, but you know, I actually like this place, bro. Know what the fuck I'm doing. But I don't know. I feel like it's illuminated enough so a nigga gonna see me. But I don't know if like the other, you see, look, people, Atlanta, goddamn the 8. I don't mess with the 8. I like Marietta more than the 8. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. We got that motherfucking Chevy, that Chevy SS. Man, I'm trying to give me a Camaro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm trying to get that motherfucking Camaro. I mean, not that motherfucking, can't get that motherfucking Corvette. Yeah, hell yeah, nigga. I'm looking for a Corvette. But really, like, what I'm looking for right now is a 135i. And they be taxing for 135i's. Like, I can't justify spending 20 bands, like, on a 2010 N54. Like, I want the N54. Trust me, I don't want the N55. N55 is slow, in my opinion. Well, that is a fact. N55 is slow. N55 dead, B58 dead, S65 dead. You know what I'm saying? N54 on top. I ain't gonna lie to you. N54 on top. No bullshit. Anybody who say N54 not on top, then they lying. But I'm gonna give you motherfucking M135i for sure. I don't know if I gotta go to a dealership or I gotta go to auction myself. But you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. This is what I'm talking about. Like, Atlanta traffic be bad, shawty. Look, accident, it's like 5 cop cars over there already, bro. Look at that shit, bro. This is why, like, niggas be stopped up, like, god damn, it look bad, bro. Like, somebody might have hit a median or hit a guardrail or something. It's like 2 ambulances, motherfucking 5 cop cars. Man, that shit is crazy, bro. Remember, bro, y'all be safe on the road. Don't ever do no shit that you know you can't do. Watch out for police. Get you a radar. If you don't get you a radar, you're gonna end up like me and getting a motherfucking super speeder, bro. Get you a motherfucking radar. All cops might not care, but if it's GSP, which GSP did pull me over, they wanted my shit. They wanted my ass, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They wasn't gonna let me go. I said, hell nah, I ain't running from GSP. Niggas got me fucked up. Hell nah. But yeah, get you a motherfucking radar scanner or a jammer if you can get your hands on a jammer. But you can most likely get your hands on a radar detector. But go ahead and get you one, cause you're gonna end up like me, bro. And you know, them super speeders not good. It's not a good look, bro. Especially if you got shit going on, bro. It's not a good look, bro. I swear. Man, this shit made me want to cut the fuck up. Look, smooth cut right here. Green, you know what I'm saying? Green, me and this bitch. But yeah, bro. It's getting to a point, bro. A nigga's too focused, like. A nigga studying, a nigga trying to work on his craft, like outside the shit, like niggas trying to open businesses, bro. And that's one thing I can say, bro. I regret in life telling niggas my goals, bro. Don't tell no nigga and don't tell no bitch your goals, bro. Cause they not gonna see the vision like you see the vision. They gonna try to downplay your shit, like it's very minuscule, bro. Don't ever tell nobody your motherfucking goals. We got a motherfucking Genesis right here. Jenny boy, I think that's like a 3.8 or a 2.0. But yeah, don't tell nobody your goals, bro, cause they not gonna see the vision in your shit, and you gonna feel some type of way, cause like, nigga, that's your reality, bro. And like, bro, just don't let folks know what you got going on, bro. Niggas gonna try to downplay it, niggas gonna be hating, like, just keep to yourself, bro. That's what I'm doing, bro. Keep it to myself, my nigga. Nigga got too much lined up. Nigga got too much going on. Nigga got too much to lose at that. Like, if niggas can't see your vision, or if your partner can't see your vision, bro, drop them, bro. Unphone them. I'm serious. Like, there's no point. You know what I mean, bro? I'm just trying to let you, like, I'm trying to put y'all niggas on game, bro. Don't let niggas know. Wait, this my exit right here? I'm bullshit. This my exit? I don't even know. Hopefully this is my exit, bro. I think it's my exit. I have no idea, bro. 95A. I think that was 95A. Towards Marietta, right? Or Macon. I'm bullshit. I don't know. Hopefully this is it. Cause nigga, you miss an exit on I-85, oh, your ass is screwed. That's an extra hour to your motherfucking route, my boy. 35, 40 minutes to your motherfucking route. Yeah, here we are. Yeah, we did say the right one. 285. Hell yeah. We on 285. Fuck this month. 285 my shit. I used to be so scared of 285. When I just started getting better at driving, it was just natural to me, bro. Niggas be like, oh, I can't get on 285. It's too hectic. It is hectic. But nigga, when you start practicing, bro, I swear, bro, it's gonna be a second nature, my nigga. No cap. And this nigga need to get in this motherfucking lane before I tweet. I'm finna cut, nigga. What you talking about? Cut. Bro, last time I came to this location, nigga, I was cutting it with a track off. Nah, that bitch, I don't know, bro. I feel like I want an SITG, bro. There's so many cool ass cars that I want, bro. We gonna cut right here. Easy cut, bam. I was cutting up with a motherfucking track hawk, bro. That shit had me all the way away. Man, and I met the nigga, bro. His track hawk was hard as fuck. I think I kinda, hey, bro, there's so many cars that I want, bro. Like, I want me an SICG. I want me a 135i. 135i, I'll gap the fuck out of everybody. And especially in the manual. I want to get in the manual so bad. Even if I get an automatic and I have to manual swap it, I'm down to do that shit. Because I don't care, buddy. Manual's hard as hell. Wait. cruising. We doing a smooth 90 in Mexico, obviously. We in motherfucking Mexico. That bitch don't say Atlanta, that bitch say Mexico, nigga. Nah, I'm bullshit. Hey, nigga, one thing I can say with, like, pure confidence, bro, learn healthy financial literacy. Like, healthy financial spending habits. It don't matter how much money you make, bro. You have to learn financial literacy and healthy spending habits. Like, don't spend your money on dumb shit or trying to keep up with the Joneses. Man, this truck slow as a bitch. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses, bro. And make sure you're doing some shit that works for you. Don't try to do some shit that works for other people, bro. Because you're going to end up fucked up and probably in debt. You know what I'm saying? I brought my motherfucking coffee today. I don't know if y'all can see it. My little flash right there. Don't spend your motherfucking money on damn $5, $6 Starbucks every day. And you wonder on where your extra, goddamn, what is that, 6 times 30, 180-ish? 180-ish? I think so. I'm just saying, like, you wondering where your money going, you spending on dumb shit like that. So just, like, be conscious and aware. And, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't always conscious and aware, but, like, bro, you gotta be conscious and aware of what you're doing with your money. Like, because at the end of the day, nigga, it's life or death, my nigga, out here. You know what I mean? And don't spend no money that you're not gonna get your return on investment for, bro. And never be in a place where you don't feel motherfucking secure. I could just say that shit. Off jump. Don't be in no place where you don't feel motherfucking secure, or a place that you feel like you gotta kiss ass. Cause that's one thing I don't like doing. I got a huge ass ego, and I don't like kissing ass, bro. I hate kissing ass. Anyways, what I was saying, I was like, bro, I hate kissing ass. That's one thing I hate doing, my nigga. I like doing some shit that makes sense. If it don't make sense to me, then I'm not doing it. I ain't gonna lie to you. If it's not logical to me, or if it's not being like a split down the middle, or I'm not gaining something, I'm not doing it. I ain't gonna lie. Like, for instance, working like, say you working like a warehouse job, and you working 12 hours, and they want you to like clock out and working 3 hours like free, or like they paying you minimum wage, and they want you to put in maximum effort. That shit don't make no damn sense, bro. So I like doing shit that makes sense, bro. And ever since a young nigga, ever since COVID, bro, I've been into tech. I've been fucking with tech my whole life, bro. It was either being something in tech, or being an engineer, bro. Now I'm being in tech, bro. And then here go this like cybersecurity shit that everybody need, and they need skills for cybersecurity, bro. Man, get you in tech, bro. I said you can't go wrong in tech. But I feel like if you want to make it in tech, you have to be passionate about this shit, and you're gonna go farther, for sure. No cap. In tech, you have to be passionate, and you have to be researching, and you have to be on your P's and Q's and your 10, because this tech shit will leave you behind if you're not on your 10, my nigga. But yeah, always stay learning, bro. That's one thing I always love to do. Like, I never consider no shit a waste of time or shit like that in the third. I consider it a learning lesson. And just as long as your ass learn. If your ass like see some shit not going right and you're not learning, then you just being stagnant. And don't be motherfucking stagnant. Always do what's good for you and your pockets. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. About hour 28. Hope y'all fucking with this motherfucking POV though. With my motherfucking headlight out. I hope it's not dark as shit. I apologize, y'all. Them niggas outside. Them niggas is not playing with y'all. Them niggas is outside. Shit crazy. Not me though. YouTube! I got less. Hold on. How much I got left? I need to go to the motherfucking gas station. 48 minutes. You know what I'm saying? The sun is coming up, man. The sun is coming up. Let's see if I can goddamn maneuver out this bitch. Easy cuts, you know what I mean? I need to go to the motherfucking gas station, dog. Hopefully the next exit is a gas station. Let's see if I can put it on here and then see if I can hit the gas station, because a nigga need fuel. You got like 20 miles left. They've been flying. But yeah, it look pretty good outside, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit. Yeah, it look pretty good, man. Let's see. Stop. Man, gas expensive in this car. I don't know. You gotta put premium, like 93. 93 getting pretty expensive, bro. That's the only thing you can put in. You can't put no damn 87, no motherfucking 83, no motherfucking 81. I don't even know if folks got 81, but you can't put that in this car. You gotta put motherfucking 93, man. Need a motherfucking. Next thing I wanna do in this bitch, res delete, blow off valve, and maybe wrap it. But I don't know. Cause I might just tune it and just leave it like the color's fucked up. I mean, cause I don't care. I mean, this is just a temporary ass car. Like, well, in my mind, cause I really want that 135. That's like what I'm really looking for right now. That motherfucking 135. That motherfucking 135 hard as shit. Can't even lie to you, man. But yeah, I think it's a motherfucking gas station though. Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, premium is $4.04. My nigga, thanks Joe Biden. Oh my God, what the fuck? Joe Biden ruined this shit, bro. Oh cap. What the fuck? I've never paid $4.4 for premium. Max out pays like $3.8. Shit crazy. Peep the wheels though. Bitch is hard. I'm gonna put the long springs on there. 57, man. Pretty decent. I pay about 50 flat. But I mean, not bad. It's only a 4-banger. We out. Oh shit. Man, it's cold as shit, bro. God damn. I got scared as fuck. I didn't think that bitch was gonna start. No! I'd have been fucking mad. I probably would have just like ended my life. I ain't gonna lie. Right then and there. Get you coffee at home. Saves you money. I mean, I hope you would make your coffee at home. Tastes better than that whack ass Starbucks shit. YouTube, been on this bitch for a minute. Been on the road for a minute, man. You know, finna wrap it up. Cause I only got like 39 minutes. I'm finna run through this 39 minutes real quick. See if I can get there, edit this video, see if I can put it straight up. And I got another video to edit. I'm trying to stay consistent, bro. I got a new camera. I got a new camera. That bitch heavy as shit though. Cause I only had the old lens, and the old lens heavy as shit. So yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm out.